And he has just, once again, been removed from the main courtroom. He's been in the midst of examining Erika Patterson, that is his ex-girlfriend, and it didn't go well. He's facing 6 life sentences for the deaths of 6 people, 60-plus others injured in that Waukesha Christmas parade almost exactly a year ago, 11 months ago now. So, state's rested. He's doing his case. Let's look at some of the testimony from Erika Patterson. Remember, they had a fight the day of this parade massacre, and there had to be some connection. That's the logic.
And what were you and your roommate doing?
We covered this ground during her testimony previously.
Objection. And grounds for, I object to that, and grounds for the objection on behalf of the state.
Ms. Brooks, we did cover many of these topics previously, so if there's new topics, please go to those. I'll give you a little bit of leeway to lay some foundation, but go ahead, ask your question.
That's
the objection is from the state is overruled. Do you remember the question?
You asked me what we were doing at the park of Corey? Is that your question?
Yes.
We were drinking. I was drinking Mike's hard beverage.
I'm joined by criminal defense attorney Karen Felicia Nance. She's in the East Bay, and also Catherine Lizardo. She is a trial attorney in Texas. Catherine, you've been avoiding me for a while, so it's good to have you back. I appreciate that. Catherine, I don't blame this judge. I mean, Judge Darrell has been just as patient as you could possibly be, and she has a number of reasons for doing that. That's her job. She has to maintain some decorum for the jury, and she has to try as best she can to protect the record so that this doesn't come back on appeal, assuming a conviction. I'm assuming a conviction. So what do you think about how she's doing, and is she getting to that breaking point?
Like you said, she has been a model of patience here, especially with what is happening every single day, to have to come to court knowing that that is what she will be facing. With Erika Patterson's testimony, before, Judge Darrell actually stopped Darrell Brooks from questioning her, citing Rule 906.11(1)(c). And that in Wisconsin is the rule that gives the judge the power to control her courtroom, especially from undue harassment of the witness and embarrassment. And here, it seems that Darrell Brooks is just trying to ask questions to embarrass Erika Patterson before he was stopped from asking her about drinking, about the shelter, and now it seems he wants to elicit testimony from her as to whether or not she's a good mom and what is the relevance of that. Of course, he's trying to say that probably it's because of her credibility, but really in the scheme of things, it's not.
Yeah, he has some conceptual issues with relevance. How could it not be relevant? She's the girlfriend, and we had this interaction. And he's got a much broader view of relevance than maybe the law allows.